The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for central Newcastle County in northern Delaware, southwestern Salem County in southern New Jersey, until midnight. At 11:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Mount Pleasant, border of Middletown, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Salem, Hancock's Bridge, Port Penn, Hope Creek, and Odessa. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until midnight Thursday for the following county: Newcastle, Delaware, and Salem, New Jersey.
As your friend, you can expect me to believe that. But can you expect a judge and a jury to believe it?
They won't try me for murder, Perry. Remember, I'm incompetent.
I've told
A tornado warning has been issued for Newcastle County and Salem County, effective until 12:12 a.m.
It's a mad scene. It's a mad scene. Why were you pressuring Gus to sell the Desert Acre?